The world's longest python is one of the most awe-inspiring creatures on the planet. Known for its incredible size and power, the longest python holds many secrets that fascinate scientists and animal lovers alike. In this video, we'll uncover amazing facts about the longest python, including how long these massive reptiles can grow, where they live, and how they survive in the wild. The world's longest python is a member of the python family, known for reaching record-breaking lengths. Some species of python can grow up to 30 feet or more. The longest python recorded in captivity was over 25 feet long, a jaw-dropping size that rivals any other snake species in the world. But how does the world's longest python grow to such massive lengths? The answer lies in its unique biology. Unlike other reptiles, the longest python has the ability to stretch its body to extreme lengths due to the incredible elasticity of its skin. This feature allows the python to grow for its entire life, with no limit to its potential size. The habitat of the world's longest python plays a crucial role in its ability to survive. These pythons are found in tropical rainforests, swamps, and grasslands across Southeast Asia. The warm, humid conditions provide the perfect environment for the longest python to thrive. In the wild, these pythons are expert hunters, preying on a variety of animals, including birds, small mammals, and even deer. Did you know that the world's longest python uses its sheer size and strength to overpower its prey? Once the longest python has located its prey, it strikes with lightning speed, coiling its powerful body around its victim. With every breath the prey takes, the python tightens its grip, eventually leading to suffocation. It's a method that ensures the longest python gets its meal. Let's talk about their behavior. Despite their intimidating size, the longest python is typically a solitary creature. Pythons prefer to live alone, only coming together during the breeding season. Female pythons are known to lay dozens of eggs at a time, and they remain fiercely protective until their hatchlings emerge. Now, what about the dangers faced by the world's longest python? Like many reptiles, the longest python faces threats from humans, habitat destruction, and illegal hunting. These magnificent creatures are often captured for the exotic pet trade or killed for their skin, which is highly prized. The lifespan of the world's longest python is another fascinating fact. In the wild, these reptiles can live up to 20-30 years, while those in captivity sometimes reach over 40 years. However, maintaining a python of this size in captivity comes with many challenges, as their size and dietary needs are massive. And let's not forget about the conservation efforts being made to protect the longest python. Numerous wildlife organizations are working to safeguard the habitats of these reptiles, ensuring that the world's longest python can continue to thrive in the wild. What makes the world's longest python so special is its place in both nature and human culture. In many parts of Southeast Asia, the python is considered a symbol of power and mystery. Many myths and legends surround these snakes, with tales of giant pythons living in the jungles, guarding treasures, and even interacting with gods and spirits. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the world's longest python. Its size, strength, and mysterious nature make it one of the most incredible animals on the planet. If you want to know more about the world's fascinating reptiles, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Don't miss out on our next amazing animal video.